Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to make beef stir fry. So as you can see, we have our beef here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to like spice my beef first. So I'll start by adding my chopped ginger, and then my chopped garlic, and then going to add my spice to it. So this is my salt. I'm going to add some salt to it. This is some curry, this is some seasoning, some thyme, some chili pepper, and then some black pepper. So I'm just going to add everything together. And then I'm going to mix it together. So you can add other seasoning of your choice. You can add some cilantro, some bay leaf, whatsoever seasoning you like putting in your beef, you can add to it. So you mix it very well. So what I'm going to do next now is just to cover my beef. So I'll cover the beef and let it marinate for 1 hour before I start cooking the beef. So our beef has been marinated for about 1 hour now, as you can see. So go ahead and fry the beef. So I'm going to go ahead and add corn flour to it. And I'll mix it together. So I'll go ahead and fry the beef now. So I'm just going to add a little bit of oil in the pan. So I'm just going to add my bell peppers, red and yellow bell peppers. just going to let it fry. So I'll then add my cabbage to it. Fry together with the peppers. So I'm just going to add some soy sauce. About 1 spoon of soy sauce. Then teriyaki sauce. 2 spoons. And then some chili sauce. So it's been 2 minutes now. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my beef to it. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Just very small. So I'll go ahead and add my green onions to it. So I'm now going to add my sesame seed. So you can eat this stir fry with rice, spaghetti, even yam and potatoes. Just anything of your choice. You can even eat it like that, and it's very delicious, very nice. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also comment on the comment section. And you can also try this food. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.